Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Google certified educator. In this part 3 of Google Drawings, I'm going to train you how you people can make effective diagrams using Google Drawing. Those viewers who are watching my channel and this series for the first time, I would request you to please watch the previous series of Google Drawings as well, and you will be finding the links of those videos in this video itself by clicking on the eye icon. So let's begin, people. So as I've already stated, I'm going to train you about how you people can go about and make your diagram more effective, and the platform that we people will be using today is Google Drawing. So people, this is how the Google Drawing looks like. As I've already stated, that you people can access Google Drawings in three forms. One is you can go to the Google search bar and type in Google Drawings over there, and the first link you may click it, or else you can type it in the search bar docs.google.com, or else Google Drawing can also be accessed through Google Drive. Okay, so today we will be making a diagram. However, the diagram that we people will be making it a more effective manner. So that's what we people are going to do it today. So people, as the technology is advancing, the diagram that we people are showcasing even during the presentation itself, let's say that you would like to introduce some of the formats and you would like to do some of the formatting with the diagram, so we will be training you on that only. So I'm just going to pick up in this tutorial, I'm just going to pick up an example of the diagram, and as I've already said, diagram, you may use it in the Google Drawing in three forms. One is that it is already there in your computer, or else you can access it through the website or the web, or it's there in your Google Drive photos, or by URL, or by camera. So we are going to use the search for web option, and as I've already said, we are going to use a diagram, okay, and human heart diagram, and then we will be using it. So people, the diagram that I'm particularly picking it up, I'm going to pick up a diagram which is without labels, because that's what I'm going to do it today. So once your diagram is inserted, people, you people can move about your diagram anywhere into the Google Drawing picture, and now I'm going to add the labels as per my choice. Okay, so in case if I go about, people, for adding the labels, what exactly you need to do is, first and foremost, you people can go about and you can select a line. Either it's your choice, either you can select a plain line, a straight line, or an arrow, or an elbow, that is connector. So I would be using an elbow connector over here like this. Okay, so once the elbow connector is there, you people can adjust the thickening of the line weight. You can click over here, and I'll make it near about, let me make it a little less. Number 4 point would be good for us. And then I'm going to insert the label, and for that I will be clicking on the shape, and I will be for a while accessing this rounded rectangular shape over here. And once this thing is over here, people, you may go about and you can change the coloring of the label also, depending upon your choice. And then further, what exactly you people can adjust it, you can drag this labeling anywhere, you know and you can adjust it. The formatting can be done as per your own choice. Okay, and not only that, even the formatting of the shape, you people can do it. For formatting of the shape, if I talk about, you can go about this format options, wherein you can go about and click on drop shadow. In case if you need it in a shadowy mode, you can go about and you can select the option over here like this, as I've already done it. Okay, and then you may go about and you can insert, and you can type in your details over here. For example, if this is iota, you can go about, you can write the word iota, and then you may align it like this. Okay, and the size of the font can be adjusted with the help of this. You may make it bold, and even in case if you would like to change, the way the font style, you may go about and you can do it from there. And along with that, so this is how you people can go about and you can make effective, you know diagrams. And the beauty is, along with the information that I'm punching in case if I would like to insert a web link as well, I can go about, I can insert a link over here also. And for inserting the link, how exactly you people have to do it is, you need to go to the option over here which is insert a link. And once you people have selected that, so what I'll do is I will insert the link over here. I will go like this and I will search it first of all on the web, aorta link, aorta in the heart. Okay, so aorta in the heart. And if I would like to specify any additional information, so let's say that this is the Wikipedia information that I have it over here. So what I can do is I can copy this link, and once this link has been copied, I can paste the link over here, and then I will click on apply. Okay, and the moment the link has been applied, people, you yourself can say that the information can be loaded. And what exactly will be happening over here is, you can access the details in a much better manner, because straight away it will take you to that particular link and it will give you additional information. So that means, along with labeling, we people are putting in additional sites where we can get an extra information in regards to the diagram that you people are drawing in also. And this Google drawing, the diagram portion, if I talk about the formatting of the diagram that I'm training you today, you can also use this in creating an activity in the classes or creating an assignment in the classes as well, wherein people will be able to do the test in a better manner. Not only that, even let's say if you are an educator, you're a trainer or a mentor, you people can share this diagram with your class, wherein people, they will be having a ready access on internet, wherein along with the label they are getting extra information, and people can visit the website as well for reading more about that also. So people, this is the way wherein you can go ahead and you can make your diagram more effective by using Google Drawing as a tool. And those viewers who are watching my channel for the first time and who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that I will be bringing up your way in order to upgrade you on various things. And you can also, in case if you have any queries, any question, you can reach me on these three social media link. You can reach me on my Instagram on the ID cherub.teaching.center, or the Facebook, which is Cherub Teaching Center, or Microsoft Teams, which is Cherubians altogether. And the links of these three social medias is also given in the description of the video. Thank you people for watching the video today. Now go about, start exploring your diagram, make it more effective, and display the same thing either in the PowerPoint presentation or in the class for designing the activity. So thank you very much everyone, and have a nice day ahead.